Hey, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And what is the best rugged computer for your bug out bag? Well, let's take a look here. I know that some of one of the most popular fully rugged computers for preppers is the Panasonic Toughpad FZG1. I got one here in my hand. Mine comes with the X strap just like this, but this is fully rugged. It's got nice rubber bumpers like this. And why would you need a fully rugged tablet like this? Well, let's talk about that. You're going to be outdoors. This is probably going to be in a backpack or carry bag of some sort, like your bug out bag. And you want to have the lightest weight equipment possible so that you're not toting around 50 pounds. This little tablet weighs just above 2 pounds. It's nice and lightweight. It's got a nice size screen on it. So you'll be able to do a lot of things like GPS, find out where you're at, storing of data, taking pictures. What if you need to take a picture of something? You have a picture on the front and you have the camera, you have the webcam on the front and the picture on the back, the camera on the back. It also comes with a flash so that if you're in the dark, you'll be able to see and take a picture. Some other good features is keeping track of your food and your water. Keeping track of how many miles you travel per day might be important. You could use the GPS feature to supplement that information. You also can encrypt your data as well as have a secure boot on this unit with plenty of password protection. You could password protect the BIOS, password protect startup. You can do a lot of things with a fully rugged tablet. Which I shouldn't even have to tell you, the other advantage is with the military rating that this tablet has, or any fully rugged laptop, even like the CF33, you're going to be able to have these port covers that seal up your ports so that if you ever need this USB and you're out in the wilderness and it's raining or misting, you're going to want to make sure that's sealed up so no water gets up in there. You can have direct rain on this unit, water sprays, anything. You could be crossing the river knee deep in water and you wouldn't want to submerge it, but it could get splashed and wet and not affect the operation of it. So I think the best rugged computer for your bug out bag would be something like the Toughpad FZG1 or even the Panasonic Toughbook CF33. And I'll just real quick show you this. Nice thing about the 33, you don't have to have the keyboard. You can pop this screen off and now I just have a slightly bigger tablet if you want the tablet. The downside, the con to this is it's a little heavier than your Panasonic FZG1. And as a side note, a bonus side note, the FZG1 comes with a standard battery, but you're going to need extra battery life. So rather than tote around 2 batteries, you simply buy the extended battery that gives you the additional battery life that you're going to need when you're out and about. So that's what I got for you today. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys next week.